To begin, I'll start with one tool, let's say Celonis, then move on to the others. While every tool operates on the same foundational process mining concepts, each has its own approach and nuances. Ultimately, our goal is to master process mining in a tool agnostic way, understand the underlying business data, and rise above the limitations of individual platforms. If you look at the Gartner reports on the top process mining tools, here is how the landscape is positioned. Celonis, the clear market leader, it's widely adopted by large enterprises. While the license cost is higher, it offers powerful capabilities and robust scalability. UiPath process mining, best suited for enterprises already using UiPath automation. When the focus is on automation-led process improvement, UiPath process mining becomes a natural extension. ARIS process mining, software AG, preferred by organizations with strong compliance requirements. It is known for being easier to adopt and is relatively more cost effective compared to the top tier tools. SAP Signavio, purpose built for SAP centric organizations. As expected, it integrates deeply with SAP processes and provides a native experience for SAP driven transformations. ServiceNow process mining, designed specifically for organizations heavily invested in the ServiceNow ecosystems, especially for workflow and ITSM driven process insights. There are also several other tools in the market with strong adoption. Each brings its own unique strength and benefits depending on enterprise needs. You can also reach out to me to learn more about tool research based on your infra and business goal. I can give you a solid justification as to why you should use a specific tool and not the other tools. It all depends on your enterprise story.